Today we're going to look at what we call linguistic terminology. In other words, the names of things. Let's start here. Homograph. Well, a graph, something written. Homophone. Phone, spoken. Let's compare the two. They are written the same, but they may or may not sound the same. Bear and bear, lead, led, row, row. Phone. They sound the same, but they may or may not be written the same. Air, air. Night, night. Pair, pair. Homonym. This is a mixture of both. Bear and bear. The spelling is the same. The meaning is different. This one's an animal. This one is to carry. Spruce and spruce. The spelling is the same. The sound is the same, but the meaning is quite different. This is a tree. This means nice and clean. Chase and chase. Spelling is the same, and so is the sound. But the meaning, to chase, is to go after something. Chase has two meanings. It can mean either clean or place. So that words can look the same or spell the same, but still be different. Here's a nice easy one. Antonyms. Anto, opposite. Ugly, beautiful. What is the opposite of ugly? It is beautiful. Dark and light. Fat and thin. Short and tall. Now this one is the opposite of antonyms, synonyms. Think of the word similar. Heavy, weighty. Big, large. Boring, uninteresting. Words that are very similar, words that are opposite. Heteronyms. There's a nice interesting word. It's quite simple. Words that look and spelled, sound the same, but are completely different in meaning. Read can be read or is also read. Lead looks like lead, but it could be led. Address, it depends how you pronounce it. Address or address. Sow looks like sow, but it's sow. Sow, sow. Heteronyms, there are many of these words in the English language. We have such words as looks like invalid. How about invalid? Live, live. Here's a nice easy one. Is it contract or contract? The contract is what you sign. To contract is to shrink. How about wind, wind? The wind blows. I wind my watch. And these are two nice easy ones. Refuse or refuse. The spelling is the same. The meaning is quite different because of the pronunciation. Now let's look at some other terminology. Diphthong, digraph. Diphthong is two letters, sometimes three, but usually two letters that make a special sound. All these sounds are considered long vowel sounds. Ah, kraal. A, aeolian. A, pale. Or, nautical. AY, play. Notice that those three all have the same sound, but they're all different spelling. AI, AU, AY still gives you the A sound. One of the difficulties with English spelling. EA, E, E, and A. EA and double E both give you the same sound. Peace, feed. EI, wait. EO, eons. Actually, it's two separate sounds, but they blend into one. Eons. EU, aneurysm, an OR sound, aneurysm. IE, field. II, Hawaii, spelt with two I's, though it only sounds like one. IO, action. OA, boat. But AO, pharaoh. Boat, O. AO, OA. Shoe, shoe. But look, and oi, soil. Ow, shout, and oi, coily. Oi, soil, coily. Different spellings for the different sound. This is one of the great problems with English spelling, is the diphthongs may give you the same sound, but will have a completely different spelling. Look at the diphthongs beginning with U. UA, persuade. UE, true. UO, fluoride. UU, vacuum. Fluoride, vacuum, true, almost the same sound. UY, by. Digraphs are two consonants that will give you a special sound. CH gives you ch, SH gives you sh, and TH gives you the. Now the PH and GH are nuisances. The PH can give you the F sound, and the GH can give you no sound or the F sound also. These two are special, that will be treated in their own special chapter. Those are diphthongs, digraphs, and digraphs.